Open Polypal app and click their plus sign in the upper right corner of the homepage. Take out the earbuds, finish the Bluetooth setting, and connect to the Polypal P1 earbuds. In the pop-up window, enter your Polypal Pro card number to get time for translation experience. After that, the time available will be displayed. You may also click the icon on the far right of the tab bar and select My Time to view the time available. Put on the earbuds, open the Polypal app, enter Chat Translation mode, select the language, and click the Start button in the lower left corner to translate the other speaker's speech. Press and hold the Hold to Talk button to switch to speaking mode. Release the button for the translation playback. After the playback, it automatically switches to the listening mode. Select the Live Translation mode and choose the language and accent. Then you will hear real-time translations through the earbuds. Open the Floating Subtitles mode, choose the source and target languages for the playing audio. Click the Start button and play a video to generate floating subtitles. For Android users, it is required to grant the floating window permission before using the function. Tap anywhere on the screen to activate the floating window. Open a video audio app and play the video. The original text and translated subtitles will appear in the floating window. Switch back to the app to view the original text and translation of the video played in the background in full screen. You can view the translation record on the app homepage. Click to view the source and target texts of live translation or floating subtitles. Click the second button at the top, select a summary template, and click Summarize Now to generate. Click the button in the upper right corner to export records and summaries. The translation history is available on the app homepage. Click to see the results of live translation or floating subtitles. Click AI Summary at the bottom to generate an AI summary, which can be copied and shared. Click the icon in the middle of the tab bar, select the source and target languages at the top of the page. Enter the text to be translated in the input box at the bottom, and click Send to translate it into the selected language. Click the Speak button on the right side of the input box at the bottom to say what needs to be translated. After clicking Send, it will be translated into the selected language. Click the camera icon on the lower right, select the source and target languages, capture the content to be translated, and it will be translated into the selected language. Click AI Language Tutor, select the language, and start a conversation with the AI tutor. Connect to the mobile phone via Bluetooth to listen to music and make phone calls. Press and hold the earbuds for 2 seconds to switch to the noise cancelling mode.